This forces the fluid to curl back in on itself, which creates a distinctive ring shape called a torus. Fluid dynamics can help. To start with, the smoke is basically a fast-moving ball. As it emerges through the opening, the smoke on the outside of the ball is being slowed down because of the friction between it and the edges of the hole. Once it leaves the cannon, there is friction at the interface between the smoke and the air in the room. This means that you get smoke in the centre of the ball moving faster than the smoke around the edges, and so the smoke on the edges starts to curl around and form a mushroom cloud. As the smoke reaches the back of the cloud, it's drawn into the faster moving current of air in the centre. It's this flow pattern that eventually causes the ring to form.